Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Samsung model and Android version so you know which update behavior to expect. Next, back up any critical data. Interruptions can corrupt files. Then open Settings and go straight to Software Update. You want to see download progress. If the update is downloading, tap the progress entry and choose Pause or Cancel. Use Pause for short delays and Cancel to abort completely. Once done, check battery and Wi-Fi to prevent auto-retry, and make sure Automatic Updates is noted. If the update is actively downloading, tap Pause. If available, choose Cancel Download to stop it immediately. For installs that already started, you can try Force Stop on Download Manager and Software Update in App Settings, then Reboot. This prevents the installer from resuming. Also go to Software Update Auto Download over Wi-Fi and turn it off. Then check Scheduled Updates and disable any set times so the phone won't restart later. Make sure to monitor for residual update notifications. After canceling, clear cache and storage for Software Update and Download Manager to remove resume files. This makes the cancellation permanent. Reboot the device and reopen Software Update to confirm no active download or pending install remains. If the update is still stuck or the device behaves oddly, boot into safe mode to prevent third-party interference and retry, or use Samsung's Smart Switch to restore software from a stable backup. One key tip: keep automatic updates off until you're ready to update manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.